for years I had watched them do it, and I was like, I looks so adventurous and so exciting and super fun, but I don't ever think I could do this. And then I finally did it, and I was like, oh, I must do this. This is what I need to pursue.
Kind of segueing off of your passion with arts and wanting to become a performer, where do you think this creativity comes from? Did you have it at an early age?
I don't know. I think it stems from wanting to be the center of attention. I think mostly, I don't know. And I guess you start to realize you gotta say something different to get that attention, or something very funny or shocking. And you got to find newer ways to say that as you get older, because, the shock value kind of wears off. So you got to think of new ways all the time. So I don't really know where it came from. I realized it got stronger as I got older, I think.
Right. And even prior to this, in the email you sent us, you said your friends were a big part of actually pursuing a career. What was it like finally getting to that open mic?
It was daunting. It was weird because for years I had watched them do it, and I was like, I looks so adventurous and so exciting and super fun, but I don't ever think I could do this. And then I finally did it, and I was like, oh, I must do this. This is what I need to pursue.
Gotcha. Do you think without them, maybe you would have ended up doing something else?
I think I probably would have tried to pursue a different type of writing. I'm not sure what that would be. It's kind of hard to imagine what career I would have pursued without comedy. Maybe like a journalism or something, or something like dry writing. I don't really know what it would be. So I'm kind of grateful every day that I found them, because I don't know if I would have felt as fulfilled.